What's up, Vikings? I'm Tucker.
And I'm Alex.
And today we're back with another absolute banger. Show Choir's first premiere of the year was this week. Let's go see what it takes to put on a good show. Northwest High School has two show choirs. Varsity is 14 Karat Gold, while JV is Bella Voce. They have been preparing for their show since August. Let's go see how they're preparing for the year.
I prepare before each show by listening to some music, and we also do a thing called quiet time in our group where we listen to a certain song and we breathe and we just kind of recenter ourselves of the busy show choir day and just get prepared for our performance we're about to do.
We normally prepare by getting into costume, and then we warm up normally, and then we set our costumes off stage, and we know where they are and just make sure everything is set out so we know where to go.
The role I play in the show choir is I'm a spirit leader, so I have to keep the morale up for the group, and we also plan special activities like we just did a Christmas party and keep the motivation up and keep us going throughout the whole year.
The role I play in the show is I'm the host in the beginning, so I have like this sparkly jacket that I get to wear, and I come out on to the red carpet and I strike a pose and everyone's cheering, and it's just super fun.
14 Karat Gold is a very competitive team who are passionate about what they do. Each person has an important role to make the show successful.
My favorite part of the whole show is when Molly comes out in her big dress and we have some people come out beneath her dress. It's a really fun number.
My favorite part of the show is probably the opener when we're all all the celebrities are in the back row and they're all posing, and Britney Spears has this big snake that she wears, and I just find it so cool to see everyone get into character.
I balance school and show choir by using my time wisely. I have to do assignments, try and get them done on time, but I have to work ahead.
I always put aside to balance school and show choir. I always put aside time to do choreo and work on music, and I make sure I have enough time to get homework done.
Show Choir just started their competition seasons for each group. The next home invite is Gold Rush on February 7th. We encourage you Vikings to show up and support. We wish them the best of luck.
Wow, it looks like a lot of hard work to be the best.
You know what else is a lot of hard work to be the best at?
No, what?
Preseason for spring sports.
Let's go see what it takes to be the best team.
As winter sports are in full swing, spring preseason training is just getting started. Preseason has been intense and focused with a big emphasis on conditioning, chemistry, and sharpening technique.
Practicing every day, going to Gretna a lot for my travel team and practicing with them a lot and getting a bunch of reps. Main goal this year is to just build a little bit more chemistry as a whole.
Preseason training's been going good right now. So all just focusing on pitching, just getting into the groove again takes a while.
Everybody's just doing what they're supposed to be doing, just showing up. And it's been hard because everybody's unconditioned, but it's going good.
One of the main goals this season is to compete at a higher level every game and make a strong push in league play.
One goal I have for the team is probably have a winning record. It would be nice for us to go to state, but that's got a lot of work to do on our side, but I think it's capable with the group we have this year.
Big goal is definitely to make it a state championship. It's always fun to do that and have a good run in baseball.
I think everybody's goal is just to make it a state and as a team just go in place and perform to the best of our ability.
With more experience under the belt, this preseason has been about playing together and trusting the system.
Our team has talked with each other, a lot more focused and taken each and every practice more serious, get the best out of it.
It's different right now because I guess we don't have as many kids, and last year we definitely hit more, and then this year we're just focusing more on pitching.
This preseason is probably about the same as last season's, and we just go in conditions, same thing.
Everybody is most excited to see all the hard work pay off and to compete with opponents once the season kicks off.
Just playing with all the teammates and stuff, it's going to be a good group this year. Should be pretty fun. One match I'm really looking forward to is playing against Hastings.
I'm most excited for it's my senior year. I don't know, I just want to go have fun and make memories and have fun.
I'm most excited for new PRs and then hopefully making it to state in 2 events.
We hope the best for these athletes during this year's preseason training.
Our spring sports teams put in more than enough work.
Yeah, they do.
Some people at our school already are the best at what they do.
Our bowling team broke a few school records this season.
I wonder if any more records will be broken this year.
Over winter break, 2 of our fellow Vikings were able to break some school records.
The record that I broke was high game of a 242 and a high series of 595.
We bowled 2 games for our duel. My first game I shot 257 and 279, and those totaled up for a 536 series for both of the games.
High series is where you take all 3 of your games and add up the total, and then whatever you get is your series.
The previous record was 525.
Desi was able to break the high game and high series record previously held by Faith Lamb.
The difference was definitely asking my coach for advice and what to do, because I tend to not, and I wasn't as in my head as I usually was. So I feel like it was easier to break the record, I guess.
I kind of just stayed focused and just tried to stay consistent with making good shots.
I tried to repeat my shot by hitting the same spot every time.
Just do a lot of practice with coaches, friends.
The type of training I did was practice on my own time outside of bowling practice after school, and I kind of just had more fun.
By practicing hard and staying committed to the sport, Desi and AJ's hard work has paid off.
I didn't know that I had broken the record. I found out a day later from my friend.
I actually didn't know I was close to breaking the record. My mom actually told me after I was done bowling. But just knowing that I did felt amazing, I guess.
We congratulate these bowlers for their record-breaking achievements.
Do you like to build stuff?
Yeah, it's fun. Do you know who else likes to build stuff? Our robotics team.
At Northwest, we offer a robotics class that some people may not know very much about.
Robotics is our class and competition activity here at Northwest. Every year, students are given a set of parameters and they build a robot from scratch. They have to design it from nothing using specific parts, and then they have to build the robot, engineer it. They then have to code it and learn how to drive it, and then they take those 2 competitions and compete against other schools from across the state.
Robotics is just kind of a class period where you build your own robots, and you just get to experience how engineers build and process their designs and how you can bring them to life.
These students spend lots of time in and out of class building and perfecting their robots.
So the class starts in August, and the kids are given the parameters. We go through the rules of this year's game. It's different every year. And then they have to totally come up with the concept and design and build it themselves. So we've been building since August, and we're still working.
We do build our own robots. There's usually a hero bot, which we build at the first start of the year. And then it usually takes around 3 to 4 weeks for the hero bot, and then it takes around the whole entire school year.
Practice in class, and then advisements are after school if needed, just with simulated games, either by themselves or with other robots.
Once we get the robot done, we have to practice and then fix whatever small tweaks we have to do. It's always practicing and rebuilding and tearing it down.
During the spring, these students have many competitions and a chance to show their hard work at state.
Several competitions this year. We went to Lincoln at the university last weekend. There was about 55 teams there, so it was our biggest tournament that we'll go to. We have O'Neill coming up in 2 weeks, and then we'll go across town to Gish. High school robotics is called VEX, and every single year they create a new game. Different parameters, there's different rules, there's different game pieces. That gets released in late April to May. Every year after May, we get the new game and can start working on the different rules.
We use code to tell the robots how to do their task, and then there's an autonomous period where we just code in all the information and they do a certain amount of moves in a set amount of time.
Good luck to our robotics team this year as they finish up their season.
Haydenfeld is a great teacher and sponsor.
Do you know who else is a good teacher?
Yeah, our new student teacher, Gracie Benz.
Miss Gracie Benz is our current student teacher at Northwest High School. She has been working alongside Miss Nelson.
I'm Miss Benz, and I'm from Wayne State College. This semester is going to look like me slowly taking over some of Mrs. Nelson's classes. I'll start with her food and nutrition classes, and then kind of start taking over design, and then culinary, and then baking and pastries. Then I'll be there for about 14 weeks teaching those classes full-time.
Student teaching is the perfect opportunity for future educators to work alongside a veteran teacher.
What made me decide to pursue being a teacher was some really amazing mentors that I had when I was younger. For starters, I had my grandma. She was a teacher at my middle school. She really helped me when I was struggling in some of my classes. And then I also had a really amazing advisor in high school who also really helped me through some things.
Family consumer science classes teach practical life skills and career readiness to students.
I want to teach family consumer sciences classes, but I mostly want to focus on the culinary aspect of it as well as design. I think the best teachers possess skills like communication and understanding. I think it's very valuable that they need to be able to communicate and understand students and their situations all the time. My favorite part is just getting to experience all the different teaching styles of all the teachers that I have observed over the last year and a half, so that's pretty awesome. I will be student teaching here until April 24th.
Thank you, Ms. Benz, for your dedication to teaching and your hard work at Northwest High School.
She seems to be doing very well at her job. I hope the best for her future.
That was a Viking banger. I'm Alex.
And I'm Tucker. Go hit that post noti bell, like, and subscribe to see more dank content like this.